Good afternoon. So it's time I finish this little Pooh Bear. So I'm going to do some eyes. Wondering where to put them. Be like the ears. I end up with them in the wrong place. So how are you getting on with your Pooh Bear? Hopefully you put the ears in the right place. So, maybe a bit wider. Thinking while I'm doing it. Might pick up 3 stitches. Doesn't worry me if I have to undo them a bit. And you don't have to use yarn. This is quite fat yarn, quite thick. You could actually use some thin thread. Take it right over there. But I don't mind it looking a bit homemade. Oh, is that eye a bit fat? Oh, they're quite big eyes, aren't they? That's 3. I think I usually only do 2. Yes, I usually only do 2. Those are quite big. Oh well, I'll leave it for now. Then I'm going to take it underneath, have a go at doing a nose. I haven't done a nose on any of my other dolls. I need some thinner black yarn. This is actually very thick. Okay. He's got very big googly eyes, hasn't he? Don't know if I like that at all. But anyway, I might give him some eyebrows. Let me just grab that back again. Can I find that? Hang on a minute. Might help if I turn on my light so I can see what I'm doing. Does that make it better for you? So Holly and I have just been out for a bit of a walk. Can see a bit of the white stuffing. So we've just had a bit of a walk, and she was pleased to get out. It's been raining a lot. So I'm going to go up here. I might have to take those eyes out. Going to give them funny little eyebrows on an angle. Little eyebrow on an angle. What do you think of that? Whoops. Funny. And where's the other eyebrow go? Over about here. So as you can see, I'm just carrying one piece of yarn along underneath. And I don't know how everyone else does all theirs. This is just me giving it a go. Well, that looks like he's got two sets of eyes. I don't like those eyes. I definitely don't like that eyebrow. The other one's all right, but I might take out it's going to come out all messy now. I might have to start again. That's better. I now got a horrible piece of yarn. Look at it. Okay. It was a waste of time, wasn't it? But this is the way we learn. Right, don't like that piece of yarn. Don't like those eyes. Look, I've got another piece of yarn here, luckily. Let's try again. Let me see what our other eyes look like. Oh, they weren't that big, were they? They were all little eyes. Okay. Might be happy with little eyes. And I'll bring it down there a bit. Sticking my finger where I think I want to put them. Excuse me. That's better, just little eyes. There's another piece of stuffing there. Yeah, that'll be better. Excuse me, got a frog. Right, I want to have a go at these eyebrows. see if I can make some eyebrows. There you go. Little eyebrow. Where's this one going to come out? Over here. Over here. Faces are the hardest things, apart from ears. Right. There you go. I'm going to give him a nose this time too. I think. Let's see. Oh, funny. Right, let's give him a little nose. Not so big because he's only a little doll. How's that going to work? Oh, no. That didn't work out. How long is this video going to be? Watching me muck around. Take that one out. What shall I do? I need someone to copy off. Just have it like that. I was trying to make a little point. I think 3 will be too much. Do you think? Do you think 3 will be too much? There you go. That'll just have to do. That will have to do, and then we'll just hide our end. So you pull it just a little bit more than you need to, snip it, and look, it just disappears back inside. Let's do that with his eye. It's like being a doctor in an operation. I wouldn't like to have me sewing me up though. Right, I think he needs a little face. I found this thinner yarn than normal, and I was going to try and do him a smiley face. Gosh, how long is it? And it's a different red though. Here's the other red. You probably can't tell. It's just a little bit different, and it's a little bit thinner, and I was going to try and do a big smile. Whew. No pressure. So what if I start over here, and I think I remember something like this in embroidery. You go through okay, start off with just a little bit, go through, and then you come out just a little bit more. and then you go back and you come out just a little bit more. Isn't that how you do embroidery? Oh look, it's come out now, that's not meant to be there. Yeah. He's going to look like he's got lots of little red teeth because you've got all the bits of embroidery. It does, it looks really weird. Anyway. There you go. He's got a funny smile. So what you can do though, I have heard, is that you can just not go in and out. Just start from here and go down there and then have a little bit of red thread just to tack it down in some places. And that way it doesn't look like he's got like a million teeth. Looks like he's got red teeth. Funny. That will do. Do you reckon I should do a scarf to cover up the join in his neck? This one's a bit messy to thread through. There you go. He looks like he's smiling. Can you see that? There you go. I might even do him a red scarf, even though he doesn't wear a scarf. So there you go. My little family is growing, isn't it? How's that? Quite pleased. Whoops, move them over. Still pleased with my little Paddington. That was stressful to make. So I'm going to make an Izzy doll cat, and I still have to make the scarves for these two, and maybe I'll make him a scarf, a red scarf. But I'm quite pleased with his little face. Not so bad. There you go. Thank you for watching. Let me know how you're getting on. Bye.